Welcome back to Dad Deals. Today kicks off Amazon's Spring Prime Day. It's called the Big Spring Sale, and it kicks off today, Tuesday, March 25th. Now, a little bit different about this sale as opposed to Prime Day is a lot of these deals you can get without Prime. So if you're one of those people that don't have Prime, this is a sale that you can shop to. Now, I've gone through all the deals, picked out my top ones that I think are the best out there, especially in the tools categories. The really big story with this sale is there are a ton of Ego outdoor power tools on sale. Pretty much everything is on discount right now. And that's really perfect timing as we get into the spring and summer seasons. So if you're looking to start or expand your Ego power tool line, you're going to want to check out this sale. The other big brand is DeWalt. DeWalt has a lot of their tools on deep discounts. So we'll get to all of it, as well as some Craftsman stuff, some Skills stuff, and a bunch of others. So stay tuned. I'll break it all down for you. And as always, if you find the video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's get going. Now, I do use affiliate links on this channel, and to make it easy for you, there is a storefront page where I'll have all of these deals listed on one site. You'll see them all right here. And it's just a great way to support my channel. It doesn't add any extra cost to you. So thank you to everyone for using my links. This also gives me a chance to update this storefront page throughout the day. So I'll be adding and removing deals as they become available or as they expire. So bookmark this page throughout the event. And again, just thank you to everyone that uses my links and keeps this channel going. All right, so first up here, we have the Ego deals. Let's get right into it here. Here's the Ego Power Plus. This is the 765 CFM rated blower. This is the one that I personally have. It was for a long time their top end blower, but they have since, I don't know if it's released quite yet, but it's coming soon. They're going to have one a little bit more powerful than this, but this has always been plenty powerful enough for me. And this is a really nice blower here. And you're getting two batteries. You're getting a 5 amp hour and a 2.5 amp hour battery with a charger for this for $330. So that is a really nice deal, especially with those two batteries for a very top end battery leaf blower. So definitely check this out. And then next up, we have a similar deal on the string trimmer. This one is the same $330 price. You're getting two batteries, a 4 amp hour and a 2.5 amp hour battery. With the string trimmer, it is the 16-inch version. As I've mentioned before, this does have the Line IQ technology. I'm personally not a big fan of that, but other people have said that they love it. But that advances the line for you. So just keep that in mind. It's not a bump feed. It will actually automatically try to advance the line as you start edging and weed eating. The other thing the string trimmer does have, which is awesome, is the power load technology, where you put the string in, hit a button, and it automatically winds it for you. This also features the carbon fiber shaft, which makes the whole thing a little bit lighter. So definitely check out this deal too. Now, the rest of the Ego deals aren't as big of a discount, but they still are discounted. Here's the string trimmer. This one has the bump feed, and it's a little bit cheaper. This is actually the one that I have, and I love it. So if you don't need that power load where it loads the string for you, this one you have to manually wind. It does have the bump feed, does not have the Line IQ feature. So things like that, if you don't care about that stuff, this one comes with a 2.5 amp hour battery and charger for $159. Here's another blower. It's a little bit cheaper. This is the 530 CFM, so sort of middle of the pack when it comes to Ego blowers. This comes with the 2.5 amp hour battery and charger, and it's $159. That's a great price. And then if you're looking for one of their mowers, I think this is the best deal going on right now. This is the self-propelled Select Cut mower. It's going to come with the 7.5 amp hour battery with the rapid charger, plus an extra 5 amp hour battery for $700. So the Select Cut means it has two blades underneath the deck here, and you get about a 60-minute runtime per battery on this one. Another option on the Ego mowers, this is also a self-propelled, not the Select Cut, but this one comes with a 6 amp hour battery and charger for $500. And then the Ego deals keep coming here. Here's the pole saw, comes with a battery and charger for $300. You have the hedge trimmer here, no battery and charger included for $129. And then finishing up those Ego deals, here's the chainsaw. The 18-inch chainsaw does come with the 5 amp hour battery and charger for $349. So just a great time to jump on these Ego deals. I know they're expensive, but these really are the top level, top end outdoor battery powered tools out there. So if you're looking to get into that system, it's a great time to do it. So another brand of outdoor power tools that's in this Amazon spring sale is the Greenworks brand. Here's their 40 volt, 16-inch push lawnmower. It's going to come with a 4 amp hour battery and charger for just over $200. So not as bad of a price as those Ego ones. They also have the 80 volt version. This is self-propelled, has an LED headlight. If you're going to use that, I don't know who mows at night, but if you do, that might help you out. This comes with a 4 amp hour battery and rapid charger for $480. And then on the Craftsman side of things, I like these Craftsman tools. They do use a little bit underpowered of a battery in the 20-volt line, but it is the V20 line of batteries, which basically means it's going to work with any of their other battery-powered tools, including drills and saws, and all that uses the exact same battery, so it's kind of nice in that regard. And these are great mid-level tools. Here's the Craftsman V20 pole saw. It's the 14-foot version. Comes with a 4 amp hour battery and charger for $150. You also have their trimmer edger, a very light-duty one here, for $99. Amazon's also having a great deal on Philips Hue products. Here's their 3-pack of their color light bulbs for $80. That's 41% off. These are really great. You can dim them from the app. You can set schedules up. You can even make them dance to lights and music. So definitely check these out. It's a 3-pack. It's that time of year to put down the pre-emergent. And here we have these Scott's Halt's crabgrass and weed preventer. This is the 20-pound bag, going to cover 10,000 square feet at $35. So Skill is having some great deals right now too, as well as the more professional Skill Saw brand. But here is the Skill Saw, the Worm Drive, very popular circular saw for $135. You also have the Worm Drive table saw with the stand for $570. Really nice table saw here. And then going to the Skill brand, now this is more of the consumer line of their tools, but here is just a screwdriver, a battery-powered screwdriver. Comes with the USB-C charging cable, as well as a bunch of bits and a nice case for $30. It's a good time to pick up an air fryer as well during these Prime Day sort of events. Here's a nice one from Ninja. You get the dual zones, 2 baskets, 8-quart air fryer for $160. Here's more of a toaster oven style air fryer for $140 from Ninja. I really like these Casa smart plugs. I like how they only take up 1 outlet. I find the app extremely easy to use and set schedules with. But here's a 2-count for $15. That's a nice price. Now, next up, we have the DeWalt deals. There's a bunch of these as well. Here's the DeWalt 20-volt max cordless drill driver combo kit with 2 batteries and a charger for $124. They also have this pretty cool tripod light. This is bare tool only, so you will need to have a battery on hand. But this is $180. The DeWalt hand vacuum here for wet or dry surfaces. Looks like a nice design. This is going to be $85, but it is tool only. They have the Circ Saw here for $99. The 20-volt Max XR drill driver. That just means it's a brushless tool. You get 2 batteries and a charger for $154. The very popular double bevel sliding miter saw 12-inch version for $500. The impact driver here on the XR brushless line of tools with a battery and charger and case for $169. You got the reciprocating saw for $99. Now here's kind of a pretty interesting one. Here's the DeWalt leather pouch tool belt. I like the design on this. I like the non-bright yellow. It's more of a old school leather tool belt here, but this one's $35, 42% off. And then you have the table saw with the stand for $550. So lots of DeWalt deals going on right now at Amazon during this big spring sale. Here's the cordless Dremel. If you don't have a cordless Dremel yet, you're still using a corded one, get yourself a cordless one. You will be shocked at how freeing that is and how many more uses you can use one of these things for without having that cord attached. But this one comes with a nice little accessory set with the charging cable and everything for $50. You also have the very popular Bosch router. Now this is the fixed base one for $128. You can also pair it up to this router table for $225. Craftsman has some of their drills. It also runs on that V20 battery. Like I said, pretty much all their battery tools run off that battery. You're getting the 4 amp hour one with the charger. Here's their high torque impact wrench. It's brushless for $159. I've always thought Craftsman even still makes some pretty good wet dry vacuums. Here's the 16-gallon, 6.5 peak horsepower version for $119. If you're looking to start an outdoor garden and you want some compost, here's a 40-gallon rotating compost container from Black & Decker for $130. It's also grilling season. Here's some Blackstone grease cup liners. Just makes cleanup way easier. You're getting a 10-pack here for $3.50. Also, this channel is called Dad Deals. I do like to look out for the dads out there. So if you're a dad of a newborn, here's some baby wipes under the Amazon Elements brand, unscented. You're getting 810 of them for $17. And also, if you don't have any kids, these baby wipes are great for keeping in your truck, and you will get a lot of use out of them for cleaning up stuff, cleaning up your hands, anything like that. They're great to have. I like how they come in the individual packs here, and that's a nice price. Another interesting Amazon Basics item is here's a mechanics tool set, a 201-piece set, comes in a case and everything for $62.46. I'm not sure of the quality here. It gets good reviews, but that is reviews on Amazon for an Amazon product. So I don't know how trustworthy those reviews actually are, but still a nice price here on a mechanics tool set. You also have a nice deal on this all metal version of the very popular Craig pocket hole jig. This one's from Miles Craft, and you're getting really everything you need here for 60 bucks. A nice yard tool organizer here for 50% off at just $15. Can hold rakes and shovels and all that stuff made of metal. So a nice price there. Here's the Skill laser level. This is USB charged. You get a nice carry case with it, and it's $39. You know, these are great if you're reorganizing a room, you got a lot of pictures to hang. This self-levels itself, makes it really easy, and puts a nice bright line across the entire wall. As the bugs start coming out, we start getting those mosquitoes in the south and flies and all that stuff. These are really nice to have. They can cover your entire garage door. You can still have that open garage door, but this is going to provide a screen that you can walk through. It's magnetic. This is just 20 bucks right now for a single car garage version. Some charging cables are always great to pick up. Here are the Anchor ones, the USB-C fast charging cable, 6-foot 2-pack for just $8. Another way to deal with mosquitoes and other bugs like ticks when you're hiking or camping is this permethrin insect repellent spray. You can get this bottle here for $12.70. Designed to spray on your clothes, your tent, your gear, all that kind of stuff to keep them out. And then another thing you want to put down this time of year, if you're dealing with grubs, is this Scott's Grub X. This is the time to do it, or really just coming up here when it starts getting a little bit warmer. But this will give you 4-month coverage and keep those grubs away, and then keep the moles away after that. So check this out. This is a 5,000 square foot, 14-pound bag for $24. But that's it. Those are my top picks for this big spring sale. Again, check out my storefront page linked below. I will keep that updated all day today and tomorrow during the event. As always, if you found my video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on Dad Deals.